Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 27th, 2021, and we're out here in the mountaintop garden, and we're going to be picking some cauliflower, and we're going to be picking, you can see that nice head of cauliflower there, and we're also going to be picking some broccoli. So here's one of our cauliflower heads here. And we cut our cauliflower heads up higher because we get multiple heads of cauliflower off of our plants. So we don't pull our cauliflower plants off. And in previous videos, you can see on my channel from previous years of how our cauliflower gave the extra heads on it. Now you can see here, this was almost starting to go past its prime. But it is still good. We're going to get it blanched up and put away then in the freezer. Okay, so you can see here the broccoli plants here. Now some of these, we're still letting them on to let them get larger. Another one here. This one here we did take off. I'll show you a picture of this one here. And we left the side shoots on because they're going to get larger. And it's going to continue to produce the side shoots, which is going to continue to give us the broccoli throughout the season. Now, in the real high heat, it might get a little bitter, but when fall weather comes, it'll get sweet again. Now, this here is the Smart Snack Hybrid broccoli, and we really seem to have good results with that. We did have a lot of issues this year with the cabbage worms, and the Jenny Wren was trying to control them, but it was just more than what she could handle, so we really did have to spray this with neem oil to try and control them because they were just devastating this stuff. We still have some little teeny heads. Here's a small head of cauliflower still coming. We took this cauliflower off, and like I said, it will produce more shoots, side shoots for more cauliflower, so we let our plants in. And over here we blanched this one here. To protect it from the sun, we put like the leaves over it, and we took this one off. This one here was blanched to again protect it from the sun. So I'll show you the harvest that we got off of the cauliflower and broccoli. So these were the heads of cauliflower that were taken off. You can see how large they are. And then this was the head of broccoli here. See how large that head of broccoli there is. Now this one here was almost ready to bloom. That's why it has some of the different colors in it. So when they bloom, they stop giving. Unless you can get the blooms off and try and get the plant back into giving again. So that was the harvest so far for the cauliflower and the broccoli. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!